Hello students, in this video I want to show you how to do the baseline correction in XRD data. Here we have XRD data where you can see part of the data at this point is higher than part of the data at this point. All of the data should be at the straight line and it should be at 0. How we can do this? Okay, go to the option analysis and then go to the peak and baseline where you will select the peak analyzer, and further there is the option of open dialog. Click on this option. As a result, this window will be open, and now simply you will go to the option, and that option is baseline subtract, this one. Okay, once you do this, click on the next, and you will find these stuff where simply you have a baseline mode and that should be user defined. Once you do this, click on the next, and then you have this options of the window. Then you have nothing to do here, just simply click on the next line and then click on the finish. Once you do all of this, you just need to come back to the data file, and here is the data you can see. And you see here we have now subtracted baseline data, and that one is this column. Okay, just to identify this column, simply I'll write here XRD with baseline correction. Okay, then once you just for the identification, you write the commands like XRD with baseline correction. Select this column along with this column, with the first column, and then plot fourth column. That you will get simply this graph. You see here you have a smooth baseline corrected data now, and that is exactly at the 0, and this is what we have needed.